friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out a crispy crunchy snack, Macroni kurkure. It's a very yummy snack that your kids will love for sure. You can be safe enough when it's homemade. So I hope you all are super excited. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and add 3 cups of water to it. Then add half teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of oil. This is just to make sure the macaronis don't stick to each other. Allow this to come to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so add 1 cup of macaroni. Allow this to cook for 7 to 8 minutes until it's nicely done. Don't overcook. Now it's nicely done, so remove from water. Make sure you completely drain the water off. Transfer the macaronis to a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Mix it well. Make sure the flour mixture is well coated in the macaroni. It's now ready to get fried. Heat sufficient oil in a pan. Keep the flame in high throughout the frying process. Drop in the macaronis and fry for 3 minutes until they turn crispy. Now they are nicely done and the color has slightly changed. So let's remove. Fry all the macaronis and keep it ready in a bowl. To this add quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder and half teaspoon of chaat masala. Give it a nice mix and make sure the masalas are well spread. Now your delicious and super crispy macaroni kurkure is ready. I'm sure you all are going to love this. Do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.